Hey everybody, welcome back to Overland, Florida. I'm Kevin. Today we're in Sanford, Florida, and we're going to be cruising up and down the St. Johns River. We're just now leaving the Freedom Boat Club, and we have my girlfriend Jillian, we have Goose, we have Marlowe, we have Ron. Everybody should know Ron. We have Anthony and Brooke. So we're going to go downstream, which is north on the St. Johns River, and we're going to check out Blue Springs and hopefully Pontoon Island as long as the weather will let us.
Does this whole party barge has no couple?
Yeah, they're up there.
They're right here, bro.
Oh, this might fold down or something. There's probably a center console somewhere.
Maybe us?
I don't know. So after about a 30-minute boat ride, we've just now pulled up to Blue Springs State Park, and we're gonna beach the boat, and we're gonna walk along the boardwalk to check out the springs.
It sees a bird. Oh no. And we found land. And it sees a bird. Oh god. It sees a bird. Dude, there's more all over there. Oh my goodness.
You want to go swimming now?
We're now on the boardwalk at Blue Springs State Park, and literally it's just a really long boardwalk, and there's these little spots you can go out and view the springs and manatees and fish and everything all up and down here. And during the summer when it's not manatee season, you can swim, and then it's closed off during the wintertime, and there's usually like 75 to 100 manatees just chilling in the springs over here.
I know you're supposed to do this, but I really don't want you to do it now.
Bird dogs and buzzards go together. So we left Blue Springs State Park, and we're now pulling up to Swampys to get some food, and afterwards we're gonna head back down the St. Johns River.
Good job. Now let me have the stern line back there.
It's on the other side.
You got one more?
It's over here.
Yeah, you have enough horsepower there.
Yeah, I was gonna say, don't tempt me with a good time.
Come in here so I don't have to hear same old folks, same old songs, same old blues.
We can't say enough.
So we're on the St. Johns River. We're actually about to turn right into the marina, but just to give you guys an idea of where we are, that's where I-4 crosses the St. Johns River right there. So just west of us is Orlando, Sanford, and then if you keep going east on I-4, it takes you to Daytona Beach. So this right here is the marina we're gonna pull into.
Registered sticker.
It actually does. I know it's on expired.
Like up to date?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow,
It could be required for the marina.
probably. No derelict boats allowed.
Define derelict.
Yeah, right.
Lean a little bit.
We're in slip 22.
It's gonna be fun.
Oh, you're gonna need the rope on that side. I think we took it off. Oh, it's right here, sorry.
Now we're gonna wait. Remember? You know what I mean?
How you all doing? You enjoyed your trip?
Good.
Good, good. How about the dogs?
Had a blast.
So that was another fun afternoon on the St. Johns River with the Freedom Boat Club, and we are actually now headed into the Ocala National Forest to do some show riding. And Ron got a box from, well, actually, I guess it was sitting at my house, but we got a box from Everglades Seasoning, and it has, I don't know how many. We haven't opened the box yet. I was waiting on Ron. So we're gonna open up his Everglades Seasoning box today and just hang out in the Ocala National Forest.